everybody. I was gonna say hello Walmart. Well, hello Walmart. Yes, we are at Walmart right now. It is cold outside. It is 26 degrees outside. It's supposed to get colder this weekend. And it was snowing. It was snowing so badly earlier that I couldn't even see the car in front of me. It was so bad. There was accidents everywhere because there's black ice. So sometimes we don't even know how bad the roads are. But there's always that one person who forgets how to drive in the snow every single year. But anyways, we are at Walmart and I'm excited to do some shopping with you on some deals. The Black Friday in-store deal started yesterday. Today is Thursday. The deals start in store on Wednesdays. I've noticed that people aren't going crazy because number one, people don't know about their Black Friday sale because it's always been on Black Friday, never during the middle of the week. So plus people have to work. So there might be some deals if you guys are shopping in the store that you might be able to find. I also got my red cup today I went to Target because I know my Starbucks would have been sold out by the time I got there. So that's it. But I do need 9 more rebates to get whatever rebate it is or bonus it is to get the $10 bonus. So I will be hitting that. And then, as far as I know of, I don't have any weekend warrior. I won't know until after I buy something. But I've restarted my app several times and nothing is popping up. Which is if there's no weekend warrior, that is okay. I'm still happy with getting $10. I did receive my free turkey. I actually went to my local grocery store where they had it for 99 cents a pound. So I actually got my free turkey the other day. I got it like 2 days ago actually. So that was awesome, and it was like $1.28 here at Walmart. So it was 99 cents or $1.28, and I'd rather spend 99 cents a pound on that. But I'm excited to share with you guys what I got at Walmart, so let's go have fun shopping. So here we have the Poise liners, 48 count for $5.46. You will pay $5.46 for it, but then you get a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta. Plus you get a $2 rebate bonus with buying that with Ibotta, and you get 710 kicks with Shop Kicks, which is $2.84. This comes out to be an 88-cent moneymaker. So here we have the children's dime tap. The cherry is $5.88 at my store, and the grape one is $6.58, but my store is sold out of the cherry flavored one. But if you have it, you're gonna get it for $5.88. You wanna use a $3.50 off printable coupon that I got from the Dime Tap website. You would pay $2.38 for this, but then you get a $2 rebate back with Ibotta, making this just 38 cents. So here's a rebate that ends soon. We have the Neutrogena Acne. You want to make sure you get the 24 patches. My store has them all marked in the wrong spot, but they're $7.97. You'd pay $7.97. Now if you want, you can submit your receipt for a $3 rebate on coupons.com, or there is printable coupons, so you'll either pay $7.97 or $4.97. But we do have a double rebate. This one ends very soon, so we have a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta, and we also have a $3 rebate with Ibotta. So this would either become a 53-cent moneymaker if you submit your receipt, or just $2.47 if you do not submit your receipt. So here we have the regular whiteout for $1.50. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $3 for it, but then there is a $1.50 back that you get back with Ibotta, making these just $1.50 or 75 cents each. Or if you want the whiteout tape, these are $1.94. You would pay $3.88 for it. You get that $1.50 back off of 2 with Ibotta, making it just $2.38 or $1.19 if you want to go ahead and do those deals. So here we have the all free and clear for $3.74. We did have a digital coupon on coupons.com, but since I used that deal last week, I'm actually going to use a printable $1.25 coupon. So either you submit it or you use the coupon, so you either pay $3.74 or you'll pay $2.49, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 49 cents. So here's a great deal for Airwick if you guys want to do this. My store actually has these for $10.97. You'd pay $10.97, but we currently have a $5 coupons.com rebate that you can submit if you feel like you want to. So you'll get $5 back with the coupons.com app. Plus we have the $5 off the Ibotta app, making this just 97 cents. But I did scan this Essential Mist, so this is just the mister, no oil added to it. You can get both $10 back, so this ends up becoming a $1.03 moneymaker, but I'm gonna get it with essential oil because I feel like it's a better deal. So here we have the Glad Clorox bags for $5.92. It is a 20 count. You're gonna pay $5.92 for it, but then we have a Shopkick deal where you get 910 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $3.64. So you'll get these for just $2.28. That's 11 cents a bag, which is a pretty great deal. So here's an awesome deal on the Glad Cling and Seal. So these are $3.92. Now we do have a 75-cent off printable coupon from coupons.com, or you can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app for 75 cents. So you will either pay $3.92 or $3.17, but then you get 610 kicks with the Shopkick app for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $2.44. This comes out to be just 73 cents, perfect for anything that you need all year long for wrapping food. So here's a really good deal. So you guys can get the regular Downy for $7.94, or you can buy the Downy Bliss or Calm for $7.94. You would pay $7.94 for it, but then you get $2 back with an Ibotta rebate, and there is a bonus where if you buy it, you get a $4.50 bonus, making that just $1.44. You cannot pass up that deal. So here we have the Lay's stacks for $1.48. Now there's two different scenarios that you can do. You can buy two of them for $1.48. You'll end up paying just $2.96, but then there's that Ibotta rebate where you get $3.48 back off of two, making it a 52-cent moneymaker. Or what you could do is you could buy 5 of these for $1.48. We do have that printable coupon for $3 off of 5. You'll pay $4.40. You'll still get that $3.48 off of 2 back with Ibotta, making it just 92 cents or 18 cents a canister. Or you can still get the Lay's chips they are on sale for $3 at my store right now. So you'll pay $6 for 2 of them. Then you'll get $3.48 back off of 2, making it just $2.52 or $1.26 a bag, which is still a pretty good deal. So here we have the Ruffles, or you can get the Doritos, but I have enough Doritos right now, so we're gonna get the Ruffles for $3.98. You will end up paying, sorry, I forgot to do my math, you guys. You'll pay for 2 of them, you will pay $7.96 for 2 of them, but then you get a $2 or $3.98 back off of 2 with the Ibotta app, making it just $3.98 or just $1.99 a bag. And I'm gonna do that because I know Costco wants $7-8 for just this bag alone in the family size. Now my store has the Doritos on sale for $3.50. So you can either do the Ruffles deal or you could do the Doritos deal, but you would pay $7 for the Doritos. You would get $3.98 back, making it $3.02 or $1.51 a bag. So I still have a lot from this deal from last time. So we have the Pearl Milling buttermilk pancakes for $2.94, or you can get the syrup for $3.47. You end up buying both of them. It comes out to be $6.41, but we do have a $1 off coupon on the coupons.com app for $1 back off of 2, making it $5.41. But then you get 60 cents back for the pancake mix, and then you get 75 cents back for the syrup, making both items just $4.06 or just $2.03 each if you want to go ahead and do that. If you want some Hungry Jack pancake mix, these are $2.77. We currently have a $1 rebate with the Ibotta app, making them just $1.77. So here we have the Cheetos cups for $1.38. You want to buy one, you would pay $1.38 for it, but then you get a 75-cent Ibotta rebate back for the cups, making this just 63 cents, an easy thing for have on the go. So here we have the Quaker Oats Old Fashioned for $4.14. You can get the 1 minute or the Old Fashioned. You'd pay $4.14 for it, but then we have a $2 rebate with Ibotta, just making it $2.14. Here we have the Quaker cups. I'm going to continue doing this deal until I can't do anymore, but these are $1.24. You would pay $1.24 for it, but then you get 65 cents back with Ibotta, making this just 59 cents. And then now we have the Quaker 8-pack for $3.32. You would pay $3.32 for it, but then you get the $1.50 back with Ibotta, making this just $1.73. So here we have the vitamins Mentos vitamins gum for $3.34. Now it is in the snack section in the Shopkick app, just to give you guys a heads up on that. But you get 710 kicks for purchasing the gum, making it 710, which is $2.84. This comes out to be just 50 cents. Here's another deal. We have the Mentos Gum Pure Fresh for $4.98. You would pay $4.98 for it, but then there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, and there is a Shopkick deal where you get 710 kicks, which is $2.84, making this just $1.39. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I had a good old time at Walmart. So excited. I wanted to look at time, but I was on a time crunch this morning, so I couldn't really do it. I tried to go, I have like less than 2 hours to shop at Walmart when my daughter is at school, so I have to like drop her off, run to Walmart, do my videos, and then hurry up and come back. So time crunch, but I'm excited with everything that I got. So everything turned out perfectly. I will have a printable breakdown for you guys. I have it just like this, all ready to go to print. And then I do have blank ones if you guys want blank ones. If you go scroll down more in the information, I have printable breakdown spreadsheets, and there's different stores that you guys can print down to. I know a lot of you guys really like that, but yes, I have the printable breakdown for you guys. So I ended up using 3 coupons. I used a printable coupon for the all, a printable coupon for the dime tap, and then I used a 3 off of 5 printable coupon for the Lay's, and all those coupons turned out perfectly fine. So my total came to $77.94 for everything. So that was what everything cost, $77.94. I ended up getting $31.11 with Ibotta. Now, after I submitted my receipt, it showed the Weekend Warrior, which was 15 rebates for $1. I'm not complaining because I'd rather take, you know, I liked it when I got $5, but I noticed it's been $1 lately. But I only got 14 rebates, you guys. 14 rebates, so I just need one more to get the Weekend Warrior, and we're going to definitely hit that when we go to Walgreens this weekend anyway, so not a problem. But yeah, $31.11 back with Ibotta. I did receive 313 points with Fetch Rewards, so I got 31 cents for everything. Yes, mostly because of the Lay's that I got, and then the Airwick I got points for. And I can't remember, there was one more thing. Oh, the Cheetos macaroni and cheese I got points for. With Shopkicks, I received 3,650 points, which is $14.60. Coupons.com, I will be receiving $8.75 back. I did finish the turkey trot. I only needed 9 rebates to get the $10 bonus that ends this weekend. So I ended up getting $10 back with Ibotta in a bonus. I did get the Downy bonus, so that was a $4.50 bonus. I also received the Poise bonus, which was a $2 bonus. And yeah, and I just needed one more rebate for the Weekend Warrior. So my grand total for everything from $77.94 before or after coupons factored in, all the way down to $6.67. I got 22 items at 30 cents each and 14 Ibotta rebates. So I'm pretty excited with everything that I got. I was walking around the store and I was doing a deal, and these one people start looking at me like I'm really up to something, and I'm just like, either they want to know what I'm doing or they're shocked on what I do, because I get some people who are just staring at me the whole time I'm filming. And sometimes I give people an idea and then they like show up, but it was just like these two people are like just like, what are you doing? And then I turn the corner and they're just staring at me, and I'm like, I'm just filming a video on how to coupon, you know, but that's okay. That is okay. So that was everything that I got. The weather here is crazy. It's getting like super slick outside. There was accidents like crazy on the interstate this morning. So the weather's happening. So there may be a time where I won't be able to go couponing because of the weather. But that's Wisconsin for you. You never know what you're going to have for weather. We get all 4 seasons in 1 week. Sometimes we even get it in a day. That's all I'm going to say. But if you guys enjoyed my Walmart Ibotta video, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm here to help you guys save some money, and I'm pretty excited with that. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week for another Walmart Ibotta. Actually, no, Thanksgiving is next week. So either I might skip next week. We will see if there's any good deals or not. I might skip next week because it is Thanksgiving, or I might go either Wednesday or Friday. We will see what we can do. I like to do it when my kids are in school, and either of them are in school. I might even do it Tuesday next week. We will see what happens, but we will see what I can do for you guys. Otherwise, I hope you guys all have a happy holiday, and make sure you guys follow me for some awesome deals that are going to be happening over in the next week on my YouTube channel, and see you again. Bye-bye.